Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, this is another vlog for me. Yeah, this is another vlog. This purpose of this doing this video is just to enlighten other creators like me about the new update that YouTube just dropped to us recently. They say that they are dividing views. We have engaged views and normal real views. We have engaged views and normal real views, which I think some people on their own side, it's something that is benefit. But for my own side, it's not something that is benefits me. Like I have a video that watch that I have a video that everybody watch, which I have 10 million views. Now, for that engaged view, they will have to separate the views. From that 10 million views, I have a video that the engaged view is 4 million plus. So YouTube are just paying for that 4 million plus views. They are not paying for that 10 million views. This thing is just like is any on YouTube, it make it difficult. When you are we have normal real view like 10 million views now, and you are separating views for us. So the one that you will pay for, the one that you will not pay for, it's not paying us at all. It's not paying us at all. So I want some creators out there. How do you feel about the update? How do you feel about the YouTube update? They just introduced that update this month, early this month. That's when they introduced the updates. So I just want you guys to what do you think about the update? How is it on your own side? Because it's not positive on my own side there. It's not something that is really positive, and I'm fed up a lot with it. So, and I can see some comments out there. Some people still say that it is very good. They let you know who watch your video. But the net is sure. They let you know who watch your video for long. But you are not. This thing is just affecting earnings. And YouTube, I can see they are saying that this thing is not going to affect the earnings, but it's starting to affect the earnings. But the solution for this right now is that if they can just increase the RPM of each video, that one will be better. If they can increase the RPM of video, when the total view, and we separate the total view from real view and engaged view. So we have a lot of money out there. So then that one will not affect the creators. Most of us, most creators on YouTube right now, they viral with shorts. Short video make them viral. So introducing engaged views. Introducing engaged view is just like a problem to us, please. So like creators like me now there, I just want you guys to comment, you know, what is your view about the new update? What is your views? Let me hear your views about it. Thank you.